Welcome, friends, to your ELA lesson for today. Today, we're going to learn how to listen to a story, make predictions, find characters in a story, and focus on the word together. So let's see if we can do it. Now, let's take a look at this page right here. Let me move you over, okay? There we go. That way I'm not in your way, okay? So this story is called The More We Get Together. So I want you to stop and think about something that this story might be about. What do you think this story will do? What will we learn? What will we hear? Can you make a prediction about it? What do you think this story might be about? So, caregivers, you can go ahead and pause. The title is The More We Get Together, and I want your friends to just think about what this story might be about to make a little prediction. Very good. All right. So I would predict that the story, The More We Get Together, is definitely about a group of people, right? Because I'm getting together with a group of people. At least that's what it sounds like. Now let's go ahead and take a listen, and we're going to read it, and we'll see. Okay? Let's listen. The more we get together, together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Fathers and mothers and sisters and brothers, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. The more we play together, the more we play together, the happier we'll be. Grandfathers, grandmothers, sisters, and brothers, the more we play together, the happier we'll be. The more we work together, the more we work together, the happier we'll be. Fathers and mothers and sisters and brothers, the more we work together, the happier we'll be. The more we learn together, the more we learn together, the happier we'll be. Grandfathers, grandmothers, sisters, and brothers, the more we learn together, the happier we'll be. The more we grow together, the more we grow together, the happier we'll be. Fathers and mothers and sisters and brothers, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. That was our song, well, our story. You could sing it if you wanted to. And I think that was a very nice story about all the things that we could do together. So let's take a look. Were our predictions right? I'm not sure about your predictions, so go ahead and take a moment to just think. We asked, what do we think this story would be about the more we get together, right? What did you think it was going to be about? Now, were you right about that? So I thought that this story was going to be about things that we might do together with some people, right? Because that's what it sounds like. And I think I was sort of right. I think I was pretty close. This story was definitely about how we got together with our family members. Do you remember some of those family members? Fathers and mothers, grandfathers, grandmothers, sisters and mothers, brothers. Goodness, at least they rhyme. So I think I was kind of right. And it was about playing and working and learning and growing. They were all things that we did together. So how was your prediction? Did it make sense? Was it right? Let's check. All right. So my friends, the other thing I want to talk about with this story is finding the characters. Okay? The characters are the people in the story. Sometimes the characters are the animals in the story. So can you go ahead and pause and have a conversation about who was in this story? The types of people. All right. After you've had your little conversation about who was in this story, maybe you would agree with me that there were definitely fathers, mothers, sisters, brothers, grandfathers, and grandmothers in this story. I think those were our characters. They were our people in the story that we were learning about. Good work. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the word together. Okay? Can you say that word? Together. Together means with a person or other people. So how about you go ahead and pause, and I want you to just go ahead and talk with your caregiver about what you like to do when you get together with your family. Thank you so much for joining me, friends.